Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 6 ways how you can monetize Canva and you can use it to earn money. So now if you don't know about this tool, I'll just give you a quick intro about this tool. So let's get started with the video. Canva is a tool that helps you make graphical posts or videos. It has also included new features every month. So in order to make the tool very comprehensive, and like it's the best tool if you do not know professional graphic designing software such as Adobe or Photoshop. So I'll tell you 6 ways how you can monetize your skills using Canva. First way and the most easiest way is joining their affiliate program. Now what do you mean by affiliate program? Suppose you have this Canva tool and you want to promote this tool to other people, and now you have a unique link that is only generated for yourself. Now you promote this tool, and whoever clicks on this particular link which you have sent them, so if they buy that product, so then they get the money. So this is how affiliate marketing works. But make sure they click on your link if you're promoting something. If you are promoting with a normal link, that is www.canva.com, then it is not a affiliate link. Affiliate link is unique to only you. So make sure you have your affiliate link. Second way in which you can make money is by teaching Canva as an online tutor. Now you can go on Udemy or you can go on any other various platforms that have courses, and then you can make your own course and sell it on Canva. I'm planning to soon launch a course which is completely packed with information about Canva and how you can use to monetize it, and how I actually generated over 6 lakh rupees over the past 1 year by using this particular tool. Obviously I used other tools as well, but this tool was a major game changer for me. Third way in which people earn from Canva is by selling your templates. Now templates can be anything. It can be resume templates, it can be social media templates, it can be planner templates, it can be greeting cards, digital greeting cards. So if you want to, you can do this on your own website as well, or you can go on etsy.com and search. Like there are so many people selling their templates, so you can create bundles of these templates, or sell them singly. So this is a very good idea if you are a beginner and you do not know how to start. So if you want, you can sell your own unique templates, but make sure you don't just take the templates from Canva and directly import it on your website, because that is not unique and that is not creative. You need to be more creative with this tool, and how you can design stuff. So I would prefer 1 or 2 months, just experiment out with this tool. If you want, you can take up internships and of graphic designing. Like there are many internships available online that require content creators, and this tool is great way to start your journey. Moving on to the fourth point, it is the best way that I have made money is offering your social media management services. Now the services that you can offer with this tool are unlimited, like seriously unlimited. So you can offer such as Instagram management tools. So you can give them like a 20 pack monthly, which can be a retainer package for a client. So that's how I make income with international clients, and you can too. So this is one way you can earn money. Then you can sell like Pinterest packages, and you can create Pinterest pins for clients, etc. So there are like numerous ways you can make money with this tool. Fifth and the most unique way of making money with this tool is by selling intro and outro videos for YouTube. Now Canva has released their own video editor, which is super easy and amazing. So you go and check it out and experiment with it, and I highly recommend using Canva Pro, because I myself use it since 2 years now, and I literally vouch for this tool. Like, don't take any other extra tools which you want to invest in, but this tool is really amazing and it has really good pro features. So definitely go for this tool. And if you want to buy this tool, make sure you click the affiliate link in my description. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy from that link, I'll get a certain amount of money from that. Feel free, if you do not want to buy from that link, you can go to canva.com directly from Google and you can buy from there. So yeah, this is a very good way you can earn money, is by selling intro and outro videos. Last and the final way in which you can earn money with Canva, and it requires like zero investment, is from YouTube. Now you can become an online tutor on YouTube, record your videos. You do not even need to record your face for that, and you can directly create videos, screen recorded videos on like tutorials for Canva, and directly upload them on YouTube, which is a super beneficial way. If you and this doesn't goes for only Canva. If you know any other tool, you can monetize your skill, you can teach other people on YouTube, and literally you can start making money online. I'll tell you a short story, like how I started my journey on YouTube. I had a channel called Let's Craft. I still have it, but I don't upload too often on that channel. So that I literally love making craft videos. So I used to I thought, like, why not monetize this skill online and teach it on YouTube. So I started making money while I was like 17 or 18 years old. And if you have any kind of skill, any unique skill, definitely you should teach other people online, because you have so many options to earn money online these days. And definitely go for this option.